Introducing the Starvision PX2. The Starvision PX2 is a fully off-road hybrid camper with an electric roof. It comes with a 3.5 tonne McHitch fully universal joint coupling and an ARC heavy-duty dual-wheel jockey wheel. It is also fitted with a breakaway unit installed ready for any emergencies. The Starvision PX2 kitchen is a real highlight of this van. It comes with a sink, a Thedford 3-burner stove, 4 generous cupboards to store all of your pantry items, and an entertainment system. It also has plenty of power points, including 12 volt and USB. The Starvision PX2 fridge slide has a fridge sitting in the horizontal orientation. The dimensions are 950 long by 419 wide by 650 high. Moving inside the PX2, you'll see that it comes with a generous bedding area, fully set up, ready to go. When you get to camp, it's a simple matter of opening the electric roof and you are ready for bed. The PX2 is also fitted with a dining area with 4 seats and a table, and there is plenty of storage throughout the interior of the camper. The table can also fold down, and with the extra cushions supplied, it makes a bottom bunk that is 1.8 meters long. The PX2 is equipped with caravan-style windows with midge-mesh pull-down and full block-out pull-up blinds. At the front of the camper, we have some storage, as well as provision for 2 9-kilogram LPG gas bottles. As mentioned before, the Starvision PX2 is a fully off-road hybrid camper. It comes with independent trailing arm suspension with twin dual shock absorbers, in coil spring and 2 fully sized spares at the back of the camper. It's also equipped with 130 litre and 100 litre water tanks. Another fantastic feature is the PX2's external shower tank. In this shower cavity, you can also use this as an extra sleeping area. There is provision for a 240 inlet and outlet power and an additional 12 volt outlet. The PX2 is equipped with 3 deep cycle AGM 100 amp hour batteries. At the side of the camper, you have some storage, and in the back of the unit is the diesel heater. To the right, we have our diesel fuel for the diesel heater and provision for another jerry can of fuel. Rock sliders are also fitted for all your off-road adventures. To find out more about the Starvision PX2, visit starvision.com.au or visit one of our showrooms today.